Hey, how we doing? It's 9.6 and we're going to jump into a super important module that's about the shiny things. Shiny things can be anything that's glitzy, glamorous, that you see other people doing that maybe a software offers. And you're going to get a lot of these, whether you're using even InShot or CapCut or Premiere, or you just walking around the internet and seeing new things. And you're going to see a shiny thing that looks cool or looks fancy and you want to use it. And this is the shiny things, do's and don'ts. Things that are cool and are effective and definitely for you to play with, or other things to kind of just stray away and don't touch too much because it's not beneficial. So we're going to jump into a video. Let's go right into, well, let's go use this guy now. So right into InShot, we have all of these different things. They're very easy to play around with and to learn how to use. And I highly recommend going through it all and testing all these things, shiny or not, shiny do or shiny don't or not. But I'm going to go over some of the basics of things that you should use and why you should use them, why you shouldn't use them, how to use them. I'm going to start with my shiny do list. So we're going to start with first speed. Right over here, speed is exactly what it sounds like. You can speed up a clip, you can speed up any piece of content, and you can slow it down, speed it up. Sometimes you want to make a time lapse with a regular video, or sometimes you just want to slow it down because someone's talking too fast or talking too slow. Here I made a clip by using the split button, and we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to do speed. Right here, you can optimize and multiply the speed, or you could slow it down right over here. Another cool thing that it offers is the curve, where you can make different parts of the clip different speeds. The benefit of this is that you can do, it slows down and it's not jagged, new onset to speed. So for example, let's show you guys. We'll make this 4.7. We'll go here.
$1 billion. Here.
Immediately turned way too fast, right? So let's go here, click on the clip, move it back down to 1. With curve, you can onset the speed so it is slowing down or speeding up at a curve. So let's go here and let's show you guys how that looks. We went from 0 to a gradual up to 10, stayed at 10, and we're going to go gradual down to 0.31, and then back up to speed, just so you guys can learn. Move back to the front.
The multi-billion-dollar company. Those are most hear about and that we look up to, and that's
so that way you can kind of gauge and make it a little bit smoother of a transition as well. Next is a really cool one that you can use. If you watch my videos, you'll see this pop up every once in a while. A bit more advanced, but with InShot, it makes it super simple, and that's the use of cutout. This right over here, cutout, can essentially allow you to green screen any video with an additional video, or even your main one. But great way to use it is just the cutout feature. And you hit cutout, you wait for it to load, but it's already moving. So if you hit
totally fine. Who doesn't want to build a...
You hit play, and now you're only looking at the main subject matter. This is more normally used when you do, let's say, picture-in-picture, which I'll cover in actually the next one. But with picture, we'll use the girl from the other video. We'll drag and drop her where she's there. Say we wanted her in the corner of the video. Go to cutout. Very quickly hit cutout. Oh, well, it's working on the other guy. So we'll cancel the other guy. We'll use her.
Business that transforms.
And then we'll click her, cutout, and boom, now she's right there in the video. Hit play.
But the story of how they built...
And very easily, you can accept it. Let's mute him, and let's just hear her. Boop, boop. There we go. And again, you can do all this on your phone.
Thing may not be the most exciting thing ever, but we've got it down to a science. In this video, we'll teach you what bookkeeping is, why book...
And again, she's a picture-in-picture, so you can click on her and move her anywhere you want. Really cool and easy way of doing this. If you do have one color behind you, green, black, white, there also is the other feature, which is chroma. Before, it used to only be effective with green, as it's the most effective color to kind of create contrast. But now you can just go to cutout, and let's get him out the way. Let's cancel her. Now you have the whole image again. This is picture in picture. But we'll go right in here, and with Chroma, you can just do the color yellow, for example. So again, cut out Chroma, and you pick the color that you no longer want there. And it just filters it out. You can mess with the strength, so anything near yellow, or shadows as well. So shadow of yellows on these keys, you can see it disappearing, right? So let's go back to this video. Hit accept. Over here, her jacket is yellow, or over here, the background is yellow. So you can see how all the yellow is taken out. All right, I didn't catch this, should have done it first, but here we are with picture-in-picture. This is a great way to add pictures, videos, anything you want, stickers into your effect, into your video content. Simply by choosing picture-in-picture, choosing the video, and boom, now it is in your video. You can stack up to 4 of these within InShot. I know other softwares have a million of them. I like InShot only having 4 because it keeps things simple, keeps you focused. If you really needed to add tons and tons of layers, you can do the additional 4. So for example, let's go back here. Let's do this guy. Let's move him here. Let's move him above. Let's do another one. And it tells you too many layers, it may cost whatever. Let's move her over here. And one last one over here. Now we have 4 videos going at once. Look how cool. Let's see, the app won't let me add any more, exceeds the maximum PIP track limit. So again, if you really needed to add more of these, export the video, start a new one, and then you could add even more layers on top. But I like how it's simple, and that's what we want for all of our video editing. So that is that, and then let's go into additional ways that we can add kind of B-roll or kind of other things to kind of have more fun and keep the viewer's eyes engaged. Is right over here. We're gonna get out and go to stickers. Where is it at? Stickers. This is something that I use a lot of my videos because it's very, very quick. Finding B-roll and other videos is pretty time consuming. So with stickers, I can go right in here and add funny little stickers. But what I do more is do GIFs. Look at that. So he's talking about, I don't know, let's say money spending. Search. And now we have all these great GIFs. So add it right in there, and just like a layer, just a little bit different. If you want this to take over the whole screen and act like B-roll, I just made it bigger. It took up the whole screen, and boom. In here, in the stickers, you can add your own images, stickers like that. You can add effects that they give you. Tons and tons of options. They're all within InShot. And like I mentioned, it should have gone first, but picture-in-picture right over here. You can add any sort of videos, images, etc. Stickers are right over here on the left-hand side. And these are some of the do's of Shiny Things you should learn. Last one that you should be learning is right over here. We have, where is it at? The filters and effects. We're not going to go over those yet. We'll do those in the next little part. But with the filters, you click this and you can adjust the color grading of your video. So let's just say it was very dark. We increase the lightness. We can increase the contrast, the warmth, cool or warm, the tint, the saturation, which is all the colors, and tons of other options. The best way I like to do it sometimes, especially because it's mostly just color stuff, go to HSL and you can really tweak how much green, red, orange, blue, very easily. The main ones you'll use is saturation. Say red right there and orange right there. It's excessive, but whatever. Or luminance, which is the amount of light that color has. So darker, brighter. All right. Those are some of the do's that I highly recommend, and I'll make another video. We'll call it 9.6.5 or 0.1, and I'm going to go into the features you should not focus on. I don't want to make this one too long. So chat soon. All right, guys.